Hi guys, I'm Kun again. I read an article on Vietnam News online. The topic about cashew price to recover this year. Stay tuned. Cashew prices are expected to recover this year on the global market, and producers should promote cooperation to remain stable. Experts, experts spoke at an international conference on the cashew industry held in the Way from March 1 to 3 to promote close and long-term relationships between cashew companies and create a basis for establishing trade between parties this year. Chairman of the Cashew Export Promotion Council of India said annual consumption of cashew nuts has increased sharply, meaning good news for the global cashew industry. He predicted demand will continue to rise, so prices will also surge. The CEPC chairman said in the future there should be a common institution for controlling trade activities to ensure parties respect contracts. Prices must be fair to ensure all parties benefit in the value chain. During the conference, Vietnam Cashew Association called Vinacast, the CEPC held talks about promoting cooperation in stabilizing cashew prices this year. The cooperation between Vinacast and CEPC, representatives of the two largest cashew processing countries in the world, India and Vietnam, is necessary to gradually stabilize the market and ensure benefits in the global value chain this year and beyond. Also, at the conference, participants asked African countries to control the quality of exported cashews this year. The conference forecasted that global raw cashew output this year is about 4 million tons or 1 million tons of the processed cashew, including over 2 million tons in Africa and the remainder from other countries, including India, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Cambodia. The conference this year attracted 300 businesses from Vietnam and other countries. The annual event was under the National Trade Promotion Program and showed achievements and innovations in food safety and hygiene technology of Vietnam's cashew industry. Vietnam exports. According to Vinacast, this year, Vietnam plans to ship 350,000 tons of the cashew nuts for about $4 billion US, a lower volume but higher value than last year. By increasing sales of processed products, instead of raw cashew, the ratio of processed cashew nuts of Vietnam is expected to rise 30%, double that of 2 years ago. Vinacast General Secretary Đặng Hoàng Giang said that, along with improving the quality of processed cashew nut, In June 2019, the association will survey the West Asian market, bringing about more choices for exporters in terms of market and product. Vietnamese cashew is popular in demanding markets such as the US and the EU, paving the way of domestic exporters to expand markets. Along with seeking new markets, Vietnam aims to maintain major ones such as Netherlands, China, and especially the US, which consumes up to 40% of the country's cashew nuts, said Vang. He added that the current market trend is products with clear origin, as customers prefer products with strictly controlled quality. Vinacast Vice President Nguyễn Minh Hoa said that to conquer new markets, Vietnamese firms should pay greater attention to steering requirements of the markets to supply suitable products. What noted that with the use of Vietnamese technology over the years, African countries have started processing cashew and reducing their exports of the raw cashew. They are expected to compete with Vietnam in the next 5 years, with dependence on the materials from other countries. It is crucial for the Vietnamese cashew sector to improve quality to enhance competitiveness, he said. Vinacast chairman Phạm Văn Công said the association will ask for support from the Ministry of the Industry and Trade in the implementing the Cashew of Vietnam promotion program, as well as other programs to assist in the building of Vietnam's cashew trademark and providing information and technical support for exporters. Vinacast will ask the Ministry of Finance to deploy measures to encourage foreign invested firms to focus on processing, contributing to increasing the ratio of processed products. Although Vietnam's cashew is defined by International Nut and Dry Fruit Council as having higher quality than that of African countries and Cambodia, the price of cashew material is not very different than that of other countries. Therefore, the building of Vietnamese cashew meat trademark should start by building a trademark from materials. Concept Vinacast and Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development have built a set of national criteria for cashew material, which will be issued in 2019 and is expected to reduce problems in the quality of materials. Thanks for listening.